What's up, everybody? It's your girl Naya back with another video, and today we're gonna be getting into press on nails. Now, this was not a tutorial, let me tell you that right now. This was me basically trying them out and seeing if I personally like them and if this is something that I can be down for the cause. This is going to be something that replaces my acrylic nails, because I really don't like spending that much money on my acrylic nails anymore, and I'm trying to find an alternative, of more affordable alternative to going to get my nails done. And with COVID, this was just the perfect time to really push me to do that. And when I say this is not it, like so we're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna stop chit-chatting and let's get into it. Okay, all the products that I'm going to use today are from my local beauty supply store. This was the only brand that I could find. It was under $7. I have regular nail filers, a nail buffer, Cuticle Oil. This is highly recommended by a lot of YouTubers that wear press-on nails to kiss nail glue. I have a nail clipper, a cuticle clipper, some cotton balls, and some Q-tips. 91 proof alcohol, and 100% acetone nail polish remover. Inside the nail kit comes glue, but I'm going to use the Kiss glue. It comes with different size press-on nails, so you would have to get the right pair for each finger. They are labeled by numbers underneath. The kit also comes with a cuticle pusher as well. So in the beginning, I started selecting the right size press-on nail, like I said, and looking at the numbers underneath and finding the matching pair and putting it to the side until I have all the pairs I need for both hands. So I have all the pairs I need. I will say this was a difficult process because not all the pairs fit perfectly, especially on my middle finger and my thumb finger. Now I'm taking that cuticle pusher and I'm pushing back my cuticles. This is an optional step, but I'm going to clip my nails down as short as possible, and I'm also going to file them down. I figured if I'm going to wear this style for 2 weeks, I want my nails to be as short as possible, so when you look underneath the press-on nails, you barely see my real nails. Next, I'm going to take that cuticle clipper and clip any hanging nails that I have on the side. This next step is very important, and I don't suggest skipping it. You need to buff the surface of your nail and the surface of the press-on nails, so it has more grip when you're applying the glue and the press-on nails. This next step is also very important, and I do not suggest skipping it. you have to make sure you cleanse the surface of your nails from any debris or any products, especially like oils that would hinder your press-on nails sticking to your nail. When applying the glue, don't use too much, because if you use too much, it will ooze off the sides of the press-on nail when you apply it. A little bit goes a long way. Right here, you have to really focus, apply the nail slightly, and then look back and make sure it's straight, and then apply pressure for more than 15 seconds. Okay, after repeating those steps, you have all your nails on. You are going to have to file them with the filer because they have these weird things on the tips, and I also like to file the sides just to make sure they are smooth as possible as well. If you made any mistakes, like you need glue left over or anything like that, you're just going to use that alcohol over the press-on nails to remove that glue. This last step was my favorite, and it was applying the cuticle oil. It smelled so good, and I'm definitely going to be doing this more often. Okay, this is the final look. I'm going to share my opinion on these further in the video, but I don't suggest this for normal use. I do suggest this if you are unable to get to the nail salon and you need a quick look. This is a quick fix. Alright guys, so I just showed you how I put them on. I learned all these tips and tricks. I've been watching videos, these YouTubers that I've been following forever. I watched some other random people, how they applied press-on nails. And I followed all the steps. I couldn't find any kiss nails. They were all sold out. All the hair stores in my house were sold out basically, except these little stubby ones for children. I wasn't about to buy that. I already knew that was not gonna work for me. I found one place that had these type of nails. They're called, I still have another set that I'm mad I bought, but they're only $5. The GoldFinger Gel Glam Ready to Wear Gel Manicure, and no smudge whatever. These were the brands. This is the box it came in. This one is $4.99. This one was $5.99 that I have on. And I mean, I will be honest, for $6, this is pretty decent. This is decent for $6. Now, if I add some rhinestones, if I wanted to get some fancy, you can add rhinestones to this. I was thinking, maybe if I was gonna keep these I would put like rhinestones to hide the imperfections in my cuticles, but we're not about to do that. It's because I'm traveling and I'm going to meet my boyfriend's family and his friends. Like, I met them already, but still, I don't want to be going looking raggedy. And this is not gonna work for me. I even did a poll. I asked friends, and they said, nah. Them cuticles, bro. Like, I didn't even prompt them to say that. All I said is, do you like them? And they said, nah. They alright. That's it, they alright. But them cuticles gotta go. So I'm sitting on my couch and I just want to get you guys a closer view of my nails. Like, my pinky is cute. This nail is cute to me. This is not cute. It's just too big for my cuticle. Like, maybe if I had filed it, this is barely fitting. If it's better than the middle finger. And my thumb is not really good. It's like the two biggest fingers are not good. This was the first hand I did, and look at that. Compared to acrylic nails, I don't like how thin this feels. Like, I really don't like that. I know with more expensive ones that they're probably thicker. Maybe, I don't know if they're thicker or not. I'm just assuming, but I don't like how these feel against my skin. Like, I don't like how thin they are. It's giving me the creepers. Yeah, fun, like, I would say fun story, but it's never a fun moment. I had one time this guy at a party when I was in college grab me, and this is what reminds me of that moment. He had the longest thin nails on my arm, and it felt so weird and creepy, and this is what this reminds me of. So that's why it's creeping me out. From far away, they're super cute, but when you get up close, I don't know. I'm gonna ask my boyfriend what he thinks. He's probably gonna say they're cute, but babe might have to cough up some nail money so I can go to the salon and be like, I tried, sweetie. Good morning. I just wanted to show you guys the next day, and all I was doing was taking off an earring and my thumb already popped off. So I'm heading to the nail salon now to get these off and go put some acrylics on. I tried, better next time. Next time I will try poly gel for you guys and see if that lasts. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment down below what you thought about this experience. Have you have a similar experience? Did yours actually last 2 weeks? Let me know. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Bye, guys.